Hi there. In Sydney, Australia, we've got some really tough water restrictions and we're only allowed to use watering cans outside, but I found that I was getting a sore back from using a watering can and leaning right into the garden. Let's say the watering can was right out in front of me and I was leaning in and I was getting a sore back, so I came up with this idea of making an extension spout for my watering can. And so that would allow me to have a longer spout on the watering can and keep the weight of it close to my body. And to do that, all I need to do is remove the rose, that green rose, and then I just got a piece of plastic pipe. This is a 20mm electrical pipe, and it's around about 1 metre or 1.2 metres long, 20mm in diameter. And with that pipe then, all I did was just push it into the existing spout of the watering can, and then I just needed something to secure that pipe, seal it and secure that pipe to the watering can, and to create an extension nozzle on the watering can, or extension spout. So I found a bit of old bike tube. Yep, that's probably a bit longer than what I really need, but that's fine. And this bike tube is, if I can find the size, it is there we go, 35/43 millimeters in diameter. And then with that, what to do then? It's really quite simple to make and surprisingly effective. Is get the bit of bike tube, slide it on your bit of electrical pipe, or a bit of your plastic pipe. Slide on your plastic pipe there like that, and it's just like a snug fit, so it didn't have to be too tight, just sort of slides on. It's a nice sort of snug fit, and push it on so you've got about 20-25 centimeters exposed at the other end. Yep. And then with that end then that's exposed there, that just goes back inside your existing spout on your watering can. And then just grab the bike tube, and takes a bit of stretching, a bit of strength, just to stretch that over the top of the existing spout on the watering can to create a waterproof seal, and also holds the spout in place. So the key there is not to push the white plastic pipe too far into the watering can, otherwise not all the water will pour out. I'll just show you now the watering can in action. There we go. So you can see there the watering can is nice and close to my body. That's so I'm not getting a sore back, and the water's going right into the back of my garden, especially when the gardens are quite deep. Then I can sort of stand there and do my watering. And if you want to, you can put the rose on the end, put the rose back on the end with another piece of bike tube just to hold it on. And there we go. That's how the watering can works. And you can see there's no leaks or anything from that joint. It's or maybe there's a drop or two. Just saw a drop then. But so now the only downside is that the watering can does become unbalanced. So if you let it stand, then it falls over. So you just need to push it up against a chair or something to hold up with. And once you get a litre of water or so inside the watering can, then it balances by itself. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.